Hello, good day. My name is Simon Uzoma. Welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching our videos, and I appreciate everyone who subscribed to our channel. Okay, in today's video, as you can see, this is a building that we roof for a client. This is an old building that the client bought, and they decided to renovate it, and he called us to roof the building. Okay, as you can see what we've done, as you can see everything, I'll be giving us the details of everything we did, the prices of the material, the wood, the roofing sheet, and everything that you need to know about this roofing. Before I continue, I want you to click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate, when it comes to anything that has to do with building materials. You'll be getting it here free of charge. I'll be giving you current price of building material. Okay, so click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the like so that other people can see this video. Okay, let's continue. Okay, in this video, you are seeing the building, what we've done, the roofing that we did for this client. Okay, and I'll be giving us the details of everything we did, from the roofing sheet to the material, the wood, the nail, everything that you need to know. I'll be giving you here the prices and the total amount of how much we roof this building. Okay, okay, let me start from the roofing sheet. As you all know, we have different type of roofing sheet. We have a stone coated roofing sheet, we have a lifespan step tile roofing sheet, we have a lifespan roofing sheet, and so on and so forth. This particular what we use in roofing this roofing is long span roofing sheet. Okay, what we use, number one, we use 250 pieces of 2x4 wood, which is about 1,600 naira each, total of 400,000 naira. Then number two, we use 300 pieces of 2x2 wood, which is about 900 naira each, total of 270,000 naira. Then number three, we use 26 pieces of fasher board, which is about 3,500 naira each, a total of 91,000 naira. Then number four, we use 2 bags of 4 inches nail, which is about 13,000 naira each, a total of 26,000 naira. Then number five, we use 1 bag of 3 inches nail, which is 13,000 naira. Then number six, the transportation. Now this transportation, depending on where you are buying the material, if where you are building and where they sell the building material is closer, the price might not be much. But if the place where they sell building material is far from where you are building, then take note that you will spend more for transportation. Okay, in this one, what we spend for transportation is 80,000 naira from where we bought the material to where we are roofing it. Is 80,000 naira. That's what they charge us in bringing the material to the roofing, to the building site. Okay, okay, workmanship, depending on the size of the building. Each building they depend on how big the building is. That's how we charge. If it's a duplex, maybe like a 7-bedroom duplex and 5-bedroom duplex might not be the same thing. Bungalow and 4-bedroom bungalow and 3 bungalow may not be the same thing. The prices differs. So the workmanship depend on the kind of house you are building. Okay, let's move on. Then the roofing sheet, what we use is long span sheet, and they said say per square meter. Okay, like this one, the per square meter is about 3,850 naira per square meter, and we use 324 square meter total of what we use for the sheet, for the roofing sheet. And the total amount for the roofing sheet is 1,247,000 naira 400 naira. 1,247,400 naira. That's for the total amount of the roofing sheet. Okay, and okay, now the total amount that we use to build this total amount that we use in roofing this building is about 2,427,400 naira. 2,427,400 naira. That's the total amount that we use in roofing this building. As you can see what we've done, you see the roofing, you see the wood, you see where we organize it. Looks so neat and so good and so wonderful. So if you have any building that you are building right now and you're looking for someone to roof it for you, can give us a call. Our number is on the screen right now. Call us and tell us where the building is. I will come with my boys and we're happy to give you a wonderful roofing. We give you the best of the best roofing that you can think of. This particular roofing is highly the material we use is quality material. We are assuring you that if you use it, that your roofing will last so long. There won't be any issue and there won't be any compromise. Okay, now once again, this is Simtech Properties. In this channel I give out the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate, when it comes to anything that has to do with building. Is it bungalow, duplex, just name it, we'll be giving it out here free of charge. All the information you need to set up your building, to build your house, we'll be giving it out here free of charge. Okay, so before I go, click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. You'll be getting the best information here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've seen what we've done. We've seen the roofing and everything we did for our client. Okay, our number is on the screen. Give us a call and we'll give you the best information, the best service, the best you can think of when it comes to building a house in Nigeria, when it comes to building material, when it comes to anything that has to do with real estate in Nigeria. You'll be getting it